there was some perplexity about the 3-day ticket or multiple day ticket for transportation. Do you have to tell when you're purchasing the ticket? Do you have to tell them which day the ticket is starting from? No. Let me show you in practice. We are here on the Venezia Unica website.
This is the transportation company that handles the buses, the
Yeah,
Vaporetto.
and not only that, it handles all the events and now also the access fee. We will talk about that next month. So let's go in order. So you have all the options possible. First of all, you have to add a card, and in here you can literally put whatever name you want. It's not mandatory to have an actual name. It could be John Doe. Then you would go to public transport in Venice, and you see you have different options. And so assign to Luna.
ACTV, that's the Vaporetto, the normal route around the city. Ali
Mhm.
Laguna is the shuttle to and from the airport. Two very different things.
Exactly. You would choose the 3-day transport and add it to the cart. Okay, I have it in my cart. I go to checkout, and that's probably what you were hearing about. They ask you your arrival and departure in Venice, and you have to choose the dates. You can choose any dates possible. They just have to confirm that what you are going to buy is valid for those dates. I think this is because of the access fee and the events tickets. So if you're buying a ticket for an event, if you're buying a ticket, I don't know, a special ticket for a weekend exhibit, they have to make sure that you're buying a ticket that is valid on the dates you're traveling to Venice. That's all it is. And then you can proceed to checkout, buy your ticket, and it will be valid the first time you scan it on the validating machine.
So
So,
the 3-day ticket
yeah,
is valid for the 3 days starting when you take your first ride.
yeah, exactly. For 72 hours. So, if you take it at night, it will be valid until the third day at night. So, that's how it works with the 3-day tickets. And